Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, after pteridophytes, we now move to the next advanced group of plants called gymnosperms. The word gymnosperm comes from two Greek words. Gymnos means naked and sperma means seed. So, gymnosperms are plants that bear naked seeds. This means the ovules and seeds are not enclosed by any an ovary wall either before or after fertilization. Now let us understand general characteristics of gymnosperms. So gymnosperms are usually medium-sized or tall tree and shrubs. One of the tallest tree in the world is Sequoia, belongs to this group. The roots of gymnosperms are generally tap roots. In some plants like Pinus, roots show association with fungi, forming mycorrhizae, which help in absorption of water and minerals. In plants like Cycas, special roots called colloid roots are present. And what do you mean by colloid roots? So, colloid roots are colloidal shaped roots that help plants get nitrogen with the help of algae. So, these roots contain blue green algae such as cyanobacteria. The algae fix nitrogen, which helps the plant grow. So, colloid roots help in nutrition, not absorption. So, these colloid roots are associated with the nitrogen fixation cyanobacteria. Now let us understand the stems and the leaves of gymnosperms. The stem in the gymnosperms may be unbranched and branched. Leaves may be simple or compound. So in cycas, large pinnate leaves are present and they remain on the plant for several years. In conifers like pinus, the leaves are needle-like. This is an adaptation to reduce water loss. These leaves also have a thick cuticle and sun- sunken stomata, which help the plant survive extreme conditions of temperature, humidity, and wind. Now let us understand the reproduction nature. So gymnosperms are heterospore plants. That means they produce two types of spores, which is microspores and megaspores. These spores are produced inside sporangia, which are grown on special leaves called sporophylls. So now let's talk about other important structure in gymnosperms, the strobili, also called cones. There are two types of cones, male cones and female cones. Male cones bear microsporangia and microsporophylls. Inside microsporangia, microspores are formed. These microspores develop into a highly reduced male gametophyte called a pollen grain. So remember, male gamete are pollen grains. It is very small and depend on saprophyte. And female cones bear megasporophylls and ovules, which are also called as megasporangia. Inside the ovule, the cell called the megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis to form the megaspores. Outside of this, only one megaspore is functional. This functional megaspore develops into a multicellular female gametophyte, which bears archegonia or female sex organs. The female gametophyte remains retained within the megasporangium. Now let us understand pollination and fertilization. Unlike bryophytes and pteridophytes, gymnosperms do not have free living gametophytes. The pollen grains are released from the male cones and are carried by air currents, which pollen reaches the opening of the ovule. It forms a pollen tube. The pollen tube carries male gametes towards the archegonia and releases them near the egg. Fertilization then takes place. And now let us understand seed formation. After fertilization, the zygote develops into an embryo. The ovule develops into a seed. These seeds are not covered by fruit, so they are called naked seeds. Important examples of gymnosperms are cycas and pinus, as we discussed. So that's it for today's video. If you understood the topic, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you for watching.